Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Colonial Metals Group, where we unveil our mission and commitment to excellence in metal production. Founded several decades ago, Colonial Metals Group has experienced significant growth, evolving into a leader in the metal industry. We specialize in a wide range of products, including high-quality metal alloys and customized solutions tailored for our clients. In a highly competitive market, Colonial Metals Group stands out with our innovative solutions and exceptional service. Our commitment to sustainability drives us to implement eco-friendly practices and reduce our carbon footprint. We are proud to share our impressive financial performance and optimistic projections for the year 2025. Our strategic partnerships with leading organizations enhance our capabilities and innovation. We are at the forefront of innovation, with exciting technologies on the horizon that will reshape the metal industry. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say about their experiences with Colonial Metals Group. As we look to the future, Colonial Metals Group remains committed to innovation and excellence in serving our customers.